What's going on everybody, Mike here from RoughCut Tutorials and welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show you how to create and export presets in Lightroom. If you're serious about improving your editing skills, why not hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to know when new tutorials are uploaded to my channel. Okay, so I have an image open up in my Develop tab in Lightroom, and one thing to point out is that I've already made some adjustments to this image on the right hand side over here. So now I'm at a point where I would like to save my adjustments as a preset. So what I'll do is just head over to my presets panel over here and then hit add new presets, create preset. So what we can do is just give our preset a name. I'll just type in modern. So then we can choose where we would like to save our presets. And by default, Lightroom usually wants to save it under user presets. But what you can do is go and select a new group, and you can actually give a new group a name, and then all of your presets will be saved under that if you wish to do so. But for this exercise, I'm just going to save it under user presets. So now we can choose which adjustments we would like to have saved to the preset. So I'm just going to go right down here to the bottom and click this button where it says check all, and then notice that all of my adjustments are selected. Now I can go and hit create. So let's have a look down here at the presets panel, and under user presets there is a brand new preset, and that's the one that we just created. So what we can do as well is go over to the adjustments panel and then make a few changes. So let's just decrease a bit of the exposure a bit, and maybe we'll just play around with a bit of the contrast, just so we can make a bit of a change as an example. So then we can just go back to the presets panel, and then on the preset that we've already created, we can just right click on that preset and we can actually hit update with current setting. And what that will do is replace your old preset settings with the new ones that we've just created now in the adjustment panel if you wish to do so. Alternatively, if you would like to have both options, you can just create yourself a whole new preset. So what we'll do again is we'll just go create a new preset, and then we'll just give this a completely different name. So I'm just going to type in modern 2. And then we can push create at the bottom. So what that will do is just create a second preset in your user preset panel. So now that we have some presets that we've created, how can we gain access to the preset files on the computer? Maybe you would like to zip and share them with someone, or maybe even sell them. So to gain access to them, what we need to do is just head over to one of the presets that we've created in the presets panel, and then right click on it and then say show in folder. Alternatively, if you're working on a Mac, it should say reveal in Finder. And if you click that, now we have access to those actual files that are on our computer. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching, and tune in next time for another exciting tutorial. If you have any suggestions or what you would like me to cover in a future episode, be sure to drop it in the comments below. Please show your support for this channel by subscribing and smashing that like button.